classic. Hey, I'm 24. I got a girl knocking on my front door.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the Oluchi gang family. You know we are growing, glowing. It is a movement. Okay, so today is my birthday. Happy birthday to me. So this is a 3-in-1 get ready with me video. You know, being laid for the gods, this birthday slay. So if you guys want to see how I got put together like this, then please keep on watching.
Happy birthday to you.
Da da da. Come on, get it, get it, get it. Hey, hey, hey. Birthday is March 26th, and although this video is going up now, it was really like supposed to have gone up like ages ago, but I hope you guys enjoy it anyways. So I'm starting off with my foundation, my Kat Von D foundation, tattoo locket foundation, you know. Anyways, all the products I'm going to be using are going to be listed in the description box below. So if I mess up something here, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Okay, so and then I am going in with my what is this one? I think this is the Too Faced concealer because that's like my go-to, you guys. Like, that concealer is life. Okay, ignore my high notes. And then just blending stuff out. You guys, I was going for like a really like easy, dewy, glowy finish my birthday, you know, just something. I hadn't put on makeup in a while, like prior to this time, so you know, your girl was really going for it. And this is pretty much like a really fast makeup tutorial. However, it took me a long time because I was like talking to people on the phone. Like, you can see me running my mouth, you guys. When I talk, I talk. Anyways, and then this is my Laura Mercier powder that I'm using to set my face, all the highlighted areas. You guys already know this, like nothing new, nothing new. And then we gotta set those smile lines, baby, because and even if I set them, sometimes they still be like doing their own thing, so I'm just upset. Okay, and then for this, I think I went into like what I'm using, like one of these like palettes from the Beauty Supply. I've actually had this for a while, so if I remember the name, or I can actually find like the tag where it has the actual name on it, because I've had it for a couple of years, I'll put it down below. But essentially, you want to use a shade that is like 2 times darker than you, or a little bit darker, just to get that contrast. And I'm using like a smaller brush to apply it, just for like more specific application. And look at that nose, baby, we defining that nose. Okay, and then we're gonna blend it out. Yes, okay. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC powder. This is the which Studio Fix, yeah, the Studio Fix powder, and I just kind of use that to kind of set everything, put it all together, blend it all. Look at my face, looking so sweet. Then going in with my my Max Fix Plus setting spray. And next, of course, chestnut. If you don't know chestnut by now, then where have you been? Are you really on my channel? Because this is the only lip liner I use. Somebody needs to come get me, because And then of course my favorite lip gloss at the moment is from Vanost Cosmetics, and this is in Bubblegum, I believe. If it's a different shade, I'll let you know, but this is my fave, you guys. This thing just like, it's like created for my lips, for real. And then I'm going into my James Charles palette, and I'm gonna use like it's like a burnt orange shade. I think this is honestly my favorite to put on my lids, because it just does something for my eyes, you guys. Like, it just really, really flatters my eyes. And then I'm just gonna use, it's only that one shade I'm using though, so there you see it, there you see it, yes. And then going into my blush palette, again, I'll tell you exactly which one I used. I don't know off the top of my head. I don't have any of my products in front of me. So for my highlights, I'm going to be going in with my Glow from Vanost Cosmetics as well. This highlighter is to die for. And then from my lashes, I'm going in with my Candy Beauty lashes. And yeah, you guys. Okay guys, so this is my face all done. I kind of took a lot of time because I was talking to people and, you know, trying to, yeah, so make everything come together while like FaceTiming people, actively responding birthday messages, but this is my face, so let's move over to the hair. Okay, so first off, starting off by blow drying my hair. I ended up just wanting to do something straight on my hair. At first I was going to put curls, but you know, everybody always puts curls. So I went ahead and like blow dry my hair. I'd actually washed it the night before. So blow drying my hair, I really like used it kind of to help straighten it, and then I went in with a straightener. I lost some footage showing how I actually like went in like and straightened this hair, but I also did it the lazy way and was kind of just putting my straightener anywhere. I didn't really like section it off or anything. So yeah, I ended up doing a side part because why not? It favors my face a lot more.
Oh my gosh! I'm sorry, who's this?
Thank
I
you.
just don't Oluchi, this is not the first time.
Sorry, this is Oluchi 24. Can I help you? You guys are gonna have to excuse this dirty mirror. I'm so sorry, you guys. This mirror is so dirty, and look at all. Just ignore everything else and look at me, okay? Chai, you guys, putting the look all together. Oh my god. Oh girl, I look so good. I look so good. I can't even front. So this dress, I actually did a haul on this dress. It's from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm actually gonna leave a link in the description box below and up in the card so you guys can check out that haul and rate this look on a scale of 0 to 10. It's a 10. Baby girl, we are always a 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This is my Kobe year, y'all. So we are going up, and I'm so thankful and so blessed that I get to see this here and celebrate it with family. Thank you so much for all the love so far on my channel. Thank you for joining my family. Thank you for the growth. I'm just truly so grateful, and I'm in such a season of thanks, and I'm so glad. So I will catch you guys in my next one, God willing. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.